Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD training course by Masters Academy. Before starting the course, I want to show you how can we download free version, that is student version of 3-year full licensed version of AutoCAD. Just go to the Google and type free AutoCAD for students. Click on the first website. You need to create an account for starting the download. Before downloading, you could choose the version. I think the best version is 2017, which needs less graphics. I hope you understand the downloading method. You can use the downloading link posted along with the video. If you have any query for any help during the installation, please make a comment. I will be there to help you. You can start the course after your installation. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you.